Good morning, students. In the previous lecture we have covered exercise 3.4. Now today we are going to start exercise 3.5. This is last exercise of this chapter. Okay, now in this exercise your question number first is based upon find the square roots of the following fractions. You have to find out the square root of these following fractions sorry, with the help of long division method. Okay, now your part number A is 484 divided by 525. It is given you in the form of fraction. Okay, now let's start the question. This is question number 1. You have to do, this is your numerator 484, this is your denominator 529. Okay, as we have discussed in the class also, that you have to find out the square root with the long division method separately. Okay, numerator here and denominator here. Okay, the method is same as it is. First of all, 484, start doing pairing. Okay, this is your first pair, this is single. Okay, now this will go on which table? This will go on 2 2s are 4. Okay, now take out the next two digits. Okay, now the next two digits are 84. First of all, write here 2 plus 2, that is 4. Okay, now here tell me which digit you can write here so that it will be completely cancel on 84. So you can write here 2 here and 2 here. 42 2s are 84. Okay, so answer of the numerator is 22. The square root of the numerator is 22. Now come to this side. This is denominator. From the last digit start making pairs. First pair and the second. Okay, this is single digit. Now 2 2s are 4. 1 is left. Take out the next two digits. 129. 2 plus 2 4. It will go on 3 table. 43 3s are 129. Now cancel it. Remainder is 0. So the denominator is, the square root of denominator is 23. Okay, so here in the next line you can write in this way, the square root of 484 upon 529 is equal to 22 divided by 23. This is the way that you have to note down the answer. Okay, step by step. Some students were asking in the class that ma'am, whether we have to show this long division method or not. Yes, you have to show it, because this exercise is again based upon finding the square root with the help of long division method. You cannot write down the answer directly. Okay, now the B part is 324 divided by 1089. Okay, now take out the square root of numerator and denominator separately. Start making pairs here and here. Okay, here this is single digit, so 1 1s are 1, 1 1s are 1, 3 minus 1 2, and take out the next two digits. And here 1 plus 1 is 2, so it will go on 8, 28 8s are 224. Come to this side. This is your denominator 1089. Okay, two pairs, there are two pairs, first pair, second pair. It will go on 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 1 is left. Take out the next two digits. Now it will 3 plus 3 will be 6, and it will go on 3. 63 3s are 189. Now remainder is 0. So answer of the numerator and denominator is this and this. So in the next last line you have to write in this way, square root of 324 divided by 1089 is equal to 18 upon 33. Okay, now I have told you the method, means this method we have discussed in the class, and again with the help of video I have told the method once again how you have to solve the question. Okay, in the class we have done A part and I think C or D part. Okay, now I have explained you part number A and B. Okay, rest part number C and D. Okay, I'll send you the copy of my notes. Okay, with the video I'm sending you the photo of my copy. Okay, and then you will able to understand. You can note down the question from there. With the help of video, you can just understand the method. Now the next question is, this is the last question. There are two questions in this exercise, question number 1 and 2. Next question is estimate the values of the following to the nearest whole number. Okay, now this method again we have discussed in the class. Now I am going to tell you once again. I am going to explain two parts again. Okay, now these two parts we have discussed in the class. I am telling you these two parts. Okay, I'm going to explain you these two parts. Now part number C is 1589 and part number D is 4995. You have to see that this 1589, oh sorry, 1589 to this, which is the, sorry, one mistake is there. Yeah, 1589, this is not a perfect square. In this question, whatever numbers are given to you, they are not a perfect square. You have to estimate which is the nearest whole number. Like, first of all, estimate the nearest squares. 1521 is a square and 1600 is a square. Okay, these two are the squares, nearest squares. Okay, now you have to check that this 1589 is not a square of any number. 1600, you know very well, 1600 is a square of 40. Okay, it is very closer to this number. And if this is a square of 40, then you can go for 39 also. Then check it out, the square of 39. Okay, now 39 square is 1521. Now you have to write in this way, square root this here and this side the lesser number, which is a less this is also closer, this is also closer, both are closer, but this number is bigger, this number is smaller. So smaller will come to left side and bigger will come to the right side. Okay, now this is a square of 40, this is a square of 39. Now you have to check it out which number is more closer. This number is closer to this or this number is closer to this. Obviously 1600 is nearest to this 1589. Okay, so therefore the you have to write in this way, the nearest whole number is 40 approximate. Okay, there's no need to write down this. Okay, you have to write down the answer only in this way. Okay, which is a square. 39, if answer is 39, write down 39 approximate, or either write down 40 approximate. Okay, the last part is 4995. Write in this way, in the middle you have to write down the equation. And now you have to check it out, this is not a square. Nearest, you know very well, nearest you have to check it out, nearest square which number is coming, which is very closer to this. Okay, so after calculating, 4096 is coming. 4096 is a square of 64. Okay, only you have to check it out, only one number. Okay, just go for one number. If this is coming nearest, then go for 65 or 63. Check it out. Okay, if this number is coming right side, then go for the smaller 63. If this number is coming this side, then go for the next number. Okay, so 64 square is 4096. Now I am going to calculate the 63 square. 63 square is 3969. Okay, now check it out, which number is more closer. Obviously 64 is 4096 is closer, is nearest to this number. So the nearest whole number is 64 approximate. This is the answer. Okay, so I have sent the photocopy of my notes also along the video, so that you can note down the question properly in the fair notebook. Okay, wherever you are facing a problem, just go through with the video. Okay, step by step how ma'am is explaining. Already we have explained, we have done all this question in the class. Okay, just for your practice purpose, for if you are having any doubt in your mind, just for that purpose we are sending the video. Okay, so please go through with the video twice, thrice, unless your doubt will not be clear. Okay, now this is the complete exercise 3.5. Now here our chapter number 3 is complete. Okay, now please note down the question very properly in your notebook, very carefully. Go for the practice also. And bye bye, take care.